Hi there, in this video I will show you how to convert video to mp3. So for this, open the Play Store and search for video mp3 converter. Click on open and install it. Once the app is installed, now open it. Give permissions and now click on choose file. So you will be directed to your gallery. Now from here you need to choose a video. So let me choose it. Okay, so I choose this video here. So make sure that this converter is turned into music. Okay, and the format is mp3. Now click on convert. So now if you click on music, so here on the top you will find the music that you just converted from video to mp3. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.